Hello guys, I'm Hoodbrook and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. We are still on our Photoshop tutorials and today we are going to learn something about the clipping mask. So to begin, I'm going to open Photoshop, which I've already done. And I'm going to go to File, then Create New. Okay guys, I'm going to maintain my width as 1920 and I'm going to maintain my height as 1080. I'm still going to maintain my background as white, then Create. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do here is grab my text tool, then type something like peace, yeah, then apply. So I'm now going to grab my move tool, then position my text to the center, yeah. So guys, the next thing you're going to do is import the picture you want to use for your clipping mask. So with that, I'm going to go to my desktop, then to my pics, then drag my picture to Photoshop, then release. So guys, if you're okay with the size of your picture, just click to apply. So the next thing to do is create this clipping mask effect. So I'm going to right click on my picture, then create clipping mask effect. Okay guys, so this is what the clipping mask effect does to your text. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this inner shadow to my text. So I'm going to get this hollow effect. So the next thing I'm going to do is select my text, then duplicate my text using the shortcut key Ctrl+J. Then I'm going to move my main text above. Okay guys, I'm going to reduce the fill for my text to 0. And guys, the reason I'm reducing my fill and not the opacity is because if I reduce the opacity, every effect I apply to my text wouldn't be seen. But if I reduce my fill, every effect I apply to the text will be seen, but the text wouldn't be seen. So guys, the next thing to do is apply your effect. So you have to make sure you select the text, then go to your effect, then inner shadow. Okay guys, so this is what the inner shadow does to your text. So you could just change the position of your, the angle of your text using this. Yeah, I'm okay. Then the distance a bit, yeah, then okay. Sure. So guys, this is what the inner shadow does to your text. It gives this hollow effect. And instead of using the inner shadow, you could also use the drop shadow, which I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So to do that, I'm going to group the whole thing, excluding my background. So I'm going to select my first layer, then hold shift, then select my last but one layer. So I'm going to drag the whole thing into this folder logo I see, or you could just use your shortcut key Ctrl+G to put them into a group. So what I'm going to do next is duplicate this group using the shortcut key Ctrl+J again. So I'm going to turn off the eye for my second, then expand the first one, then change the inner shadow to drop shadow, and to do that I'm going to double click on my inner shadow. So guys, I'm going to turn the inner shadow off, then I'm going to turn on the drop shadow. So guys, this is what the drop shadow does to your text. You could also change the angle for your drop shadow just as we did for the inner shadow, but I'm just gonna maintain it like this. Then okay. So guys, this is my drop shadow and this is my inner shadow. So guys, if you get to know how to apply this clipping mask effect, instead of using text, you could rather use your shapes, your brush tools and all those stuff. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and until we meet again, is bye bye.